Hey everyone, John from Huron Speed here. We're going to do the final giveaway in the truck group purchase kit sale. This giveaway is for the billet wheel turbocharger and the first 55 people that entered. So going back here on our giveaways, we did the 25 giveaway for the free ceramic coating. That was won by Paul Free Jack with a hot side. We did the 35 for the first 35 with the Black Series intercooler upgrade. That was won by Caleb Cole. And we did the first 45 entrants for the Turbo Smart eBoost 2. That was won by Killian Nemeth. And now we are doing the 55, which is for the billet wheel turbocharger. So for the billet wheel turbocharger, we have our 7875 option with a .96 backside, which you see here. And then we also have a billet 7075 here, so a slightly smaller compressor wheel with a .81 backside. So we have those two options for you guys. So what I'm going to do here, same as the other ones, we have 55 tennis balls here for the first 55 entrants. Just as before, first person to enter the sale is number 1, all the way down to 55. So I'm going to throw them into this box here, and we're going to dump them out on the ground, and whichever ball lands closest to any part of the turbocharger will win. Your choice of the 7875 or the 7075, whichever you prefer. So we will reach out to whoever the lucky winner is. Once I get the number of the winner here, I'll match it up to the invoices. This might take me a little bit longer than usual because I have the invoice is broken up now with final payments, so that's on my own fault for taking a little while in getting this giveaway done. So bear with me on that once I get the number to find the corresponding invoice. And thanks to everyone that participated. We ended up with 60 entrants, which is incredible, and a record. I think last year was the highest at 43, so we smashed that. Hope everyone likes the savings. And I'll be in touch with everyone throughout the sale as we get closer to shipping kits. And here we go. I'll dump all these out. Whoever is closest to that turbocharger on the ground will be the winner. Good luck, and thanks again. Looks like this is the winner here. Goes to that flange. Number 6. Alright, let's find out who number 6 was. Alright, so I got the deposits here. It looks like the winner, number 6, has already completed their final payment. So bear with me here as I try to locate number 6. I'm going to set this down so I can save some time. This might take a minute here. Do it as quickly as I can. Keep the suspense up for you guys. Just got to sift through all of these final payments here. Find out who the 6th depositor was. Hopefully we're not here all day waiting on me with the suspense. Going to be the last one, you know. Alright, next pile. Looking for number 6. Number 6. I have these all broken up now into what type of kit each final payment was for. So I got 4 separate piles here. The final payment order, so I'm just sifting through them all. Got to find that number 6 on the deposit orders. Alright, we're on the last pile here. There we are. Alright, I have located the lucky winner here. Alright, so with a deposit number of number 6, 07.5 to 13 kit, the winner of the Turbocharger is Rodrigo Terran. So congratulations, I will reach out to you. It does not look like you added, let me see here, it does not look like you added a turbo with your final payment, so we will get you one out. I'll get with you on whether you prefer the 7875 or the 7075. And thank you again to everyone who participated. We appreciate it. If you need anything at all, don't hesitate to reach out. I'd be happy to help with any questions you have. Thanks again.